Okay, back with the T4. Did some homework. I've got some wiring diagrams now. I've got some fuses. I've got everything I need now to sort of help me out where I'm going. Where I said I was thinking last time, something dawned on me. Hold on, I've come into a job. I've got a dashboard hanging out. I've got the fuse board hanging out. And I've got a fuse board in there that don't work. So what I did do is take the actual numbers off the components, and I corresponded them with what Volkswagen actually fitted to them originally, and both parts are exactly the same. So at least now I'm not putting a component in that might not be compatible with the vehicle. So that's what I saw last week. And as I say, I'm just doing it in between jobs at the moment, so my little mind works. Right, what we got to is the dashboard, which has been my major concern all the way along, because a lot of stuff works in here. It really does. So what I did is I have actually checked. I've taken the wire out of the off here. All it is there's a little pink slip that clips up. Pull that out down, and then you pull this out. So just pull it out. And what I've done is I've checked all the actual as I say, the power and grounds. I've checked the earth going into here with a test light. Don't check it with a multimeter, it flaming lies. But it's good for a quick check, but it doesn't tell you if you got any load, and you could be chasing your tail for days, to be honest. So I've checked the power and grounds. This thing doesn't light up, so I've definitely got, I think now is I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to have a look inside and see what's why it's not powering up. But as I say, I can get the main beam light. The lights work on there. I've checked all those. So we are. I'm saying there's a fault with this. If I can get this lighting up, I think we could be on a right roll then. And as I say, it's. And I wouldn't say I've spent a load of time on this, not really. More time homework, which people don't see. If you're not working on the van, you can't be fixing it, can you? But the amount of work of looking for the right wiring diagrams, for putting wiring diagrams together so I can actually read them. Are they powers? Are they earths? What do they go to? And and then when I come here, it all starts to make sense. So my next thing is to take that dashboard apart, and we'll have a look. So I would say have a good day, but just day, because look, it's raining, and I'm glad I'm in here though. But as I say, I'm going and I'm going to be testing that dashboard, because I think that is the problem, because I've got power going in and she's not responding. So cheers for watching. I hope you're enjoying it, because at the moment it's just my mind thinking the way I'm going to be fixing this. But now looking at what I've got and all the information I've got, we're flying now. So as I say, thanks for watching. As I say, you don't have to, but if I have one person, it's worth it. Anyway, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.